Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this black glitter smoky eye. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm first starting off by using the Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this shade here and applying it as my transition shade in the crease. Next, taking this shade here from the palette, and I'm using that to deepen up the crease a little bit more. Then going back in with the transition shade just to blend it all back out. So it's always best to keep going in with that transition shade just to keep a nice smooth blend. After that, I'm using this deep brown shade and focusing that in the crease again, just to create more smokiness and something for the black shadow to blend into when we add it. Then again, going back over with that transition shade to blend it all in. Next, going in with the black shadow from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and I'm using that to darken up the outer corner. Then going back in with that same shadow to make sure there's a smooth blend between colours. I then used a makeup wipe just to take any fallout away and also cleaned up the outer edge. After that, I went in with that black shadow again from the Morphe palette, and I applied that all over the rest of the eyelid, and this is going to act as a base for our glitter. I then used whatever shadow was left on my crease brush just to buff the black into the crease shade. Once that was all blended out, I was using the NYX glitter primer all over my eyelid as a base for the glitter to stick to. Then the glitter I'm using today is the NYX Glitter Brilliance in the shade 06 Style Star. And I used a fluffy brush to apply that all over the eyelid to make sure it was nice and even. Next, I applied some lashes, and these are from Doll Beauty in the style LIZA. After lashes, I went on to finish the bottom lash line, and I took the deep brown shade first and blended that underneath. And then applied the black shadow we used closest to the lashes. I then went in with the black gel eyeliner from Esquido, and applied that onto my waterline to create a smoky eye effect. Then going in with the Maybelline Colossal Mascara on my lower lashes. Next, I used the shade Azores on my brow bone and inner corner from the Huda Beauty Pink Sands highlighter palette. After that, I took my liquid eyeliner and I joined my lashes onto the inner corner to create a cat eye effect. Then I applied the Stila liquid glitter into my inner corners for another bit of sparkle. I also went back in with that Huda Beauty highlighter palette and I applied it onto my cheekbones and down the centre to create some glowy skin. Then to finish off with lips, I used the Collection lip liner in the shade Cappuchino. And used the Sigma Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the shade New Mod. So yeah guys, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and also give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.